how many 3x3 she can solve by I solve this giant 3x3. As you can see, this 3x3 has weird stickers because white is opposite the orange, which will never happen. And you can see what sound this makes. Sometimes I can't even do an R move. I have to do an R prime 3 times, so like that. See, I can't even do that. So this would definitely be a challenge. How many cubes do you think you can solve?
3.
You think?
Yeah.
Well, guys watching, stay on the video to find out. So now we're gonna start. Okay, let's start solving in 3, 2, 1. Please. Really done.
No, please don't let him do
Hooray,
that.
I done. Hooray, I finished it. Okay.
And I'm in the middle of it.
How many did you do?
I think this is my
2.5 is your curve.
9th set.
Oh, so you did 2.5. Okay. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.